Parasitic jiggers, smaller than a pinhead, wreak havoc on unsuspecting individuals. These tiny fleas burrow into the skin, often targeting the feet. They cause intense itching, swelling, and painful lesions. Jiggers are a health concern, especially in developing countries. The fleas thrive in warm, humid environments with poor sanitation. These parasites can impact daily life. Walking becomes difficult, simple tasks are impossible. In severe cases, secondary infections develop. These infections require immediate medical attention. Understanding jiggers is the first step in prevention and treatment. Imagine excruciating pain with every step. This was the reality for one patient, whose feet were ravaged by jiggers. The infestation was severe. Hundreds of jiggers had burrowed into the skin. The patient was in agony. Daily activities became impossible. Walking was unbearable. The patient was desperate for relief. This case highlights the devastating impact of jiggers. It underscores the urgent need for treatment and awareness. Jigger removal is a meticulous process. Sterilization is crucial. The area is cleaned thoroughly. A sterile needle is used. The jigger is gently extracted. Each step is performed with precision. After extraction, the wound is cleaned. Antibiotic ointment is applied. A bandage protects the area. The process is repeated for each jigger. Patience and a steady hand are essential for complete removal. Section 4. Risks and precautions. Navigating a delicate procedure. Jigger extraction requires caution. There are, risks involved. Improper removal can lead to complications. These include infection and tissue damage. It's important to seek professional help. Medical professionals have the expertise. They minimize risks and ensure proper wound care. This prevents complications. Awareness and prompt treatment are vital in managing jigger infestations. Section 5. Beyond the surface, jiggers, health, and society. Jigger infestations are more than a medical issue. They are a societal concern. Poverty and lack of sanitation contribute to their spread. These infestations trap families in a cycle of poverty. Education and awareness are crucial. Simple measures like wearing shoes can help. Improving sanitation is essential. Addressing these issues will reduce the burden of jiggers and improve the lives of vulnerable populations.